Hello there! I am Avira and I am here to unravel the mysterious world of electric cars to you. I'm kidding. They aren't mysterious at all. In fact, EVs aren't much different in the way they function. It's only their internal workings that differ. An all-familiar sight greets you once you open the bonnet, and at the heart of it lays a revolution that'll power your journeys today. The ZS EV leaves behind a conventional engine using fossil fuels and surges forth with a 44.5 kilowatts battery pack that powers an electric motor. The ZS develops 142.7 PS and 353 Newton meters of torque. A similar-sized conventional SUV won't give you that. Neither will they be able to go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 8.5 seconds. A single charge will take you 340 kilometers, while the developing fast-charging network will help you travel even further. Going further and spending more time inside the cabin is made easier with a suspension setup that irons out the harshest of road conditions. Appreciate the plush ride quality and comfort on offer, making every drive a pleasant experience. Ciao!